Hi, it's Dave with Regal Fabric here, your cleaner of all soft furnishings in the Boston area. We did a video recently showing how it's possible with a few simple tools at your home, including a wet dry vac, simple, inexpensive wet dry vac and a typical 10-inch funnel, how easy it would be to remove a pet stain from one of your wool carpets like the one we use here. We had a question from one of our customers asking, what will happen with a very thin rug, an older, thin, delicate rug, would the suction from the wet vac coming up and through the funnel hurt the rug? And it very well could. The suction from your wet vac could be too powerful. So there's a simple solution to that actually, and this is just typical screen. This is a nylon mesh screen you would buy at any hardware store, made to repair storm windows, or screen windows rather. And what you simply do is you twist it on. We use a tie wrap right here to hold it onto the funnel tight. You would then attach your wet vac hose to the funnel, put it on, and you will see how the process still works. And how that pulls it in. But will not damage a delicate, older rug. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it.